Why is my CA not answering? Why can't I pre-order? What's going on with the pre-orders? I mean, what is actually left? But before we get started, view those past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at marquitalvluxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine, go grab some tea, and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, besties, I'm going to try to make this not such a long video. I'm just going to get straight into it, okay? First and foremost, as far as the pre-orders go, guys, they had different tiers. When it comes to this collection, it was different tiers. The influencers, the VVIC, and the VIC. When I tell you, I didn't even know there was a such thing as a VVIC. I guess a very, very important client. I know about a very important client, but a VVIC, yeah, okay. So I'm guessing those are the people that spend the big bucks every month from what I am being told. But there's different tiers. I don't even know if these CAs out here know about that tier. I think it's certain CAs that just deal with these specific clients. It could be like NFL wives, even NFL players, like purchasing from their wife, whoever account is under. But there's different tiers, guys. And it was influencers, VVICs, VICs, and then the regular folks, okay? So not to be mean, but guys, that's what happened, okay? And my thing is, I think it should have been a limit. I think it should have been a limit to what they were able to order, because I'm pretty sure some VICs ordered for other clients, like other friends, because I'm not gonna lie, I have done it before. I have used my VIC ranking to order for other people and had it shipped directly to them. And guys, they were in a totally different state. So I have done it before. I'm sorry to say that. So I'm not sure if that happened as well, but if your CA is not responding to you, because I had a young lady come to me and basically tell me, my CA is just ignoring me. She's not responding. I'm going to give you probably 2 reasons why she is not responding. The first reason is because she doesn't want to let you know that you do not qualify for this drop. You are not able to pre-order right now because of your purchase amount that's in your, in the LV account. You probably haven't purchased enough to be able to pre-order at the moment. Number 2, some CAs honestly just don't know what the heck is going on. And I'm being honest with you. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to blast. And I'm not going to go into detail. But let me tell you, I know. Some CAs do not know what the heck is going on. So if they don't respond, it's because they don't know either. They don't know when pre-orders actually open for the other customers, for their clients. I'm so sorry. That's just how it is. I tell you guys all the time how important it is to have a CA. But if you do not have a purchase history, you're never going to get a CA. This collection was not meant, the pre-order was not meant for those that purchase twice a year, 3 times a year. This is for those customers that purchase monthly, or they purchase monthly the high price items, or they purchase at least 2 to 3 bags a month, okay? I am so sorry. That's just how it is, and that's what's happening, okay? I am also going to tell you this, and like I said, this video is going to be quick because I'm going to get this out the way, and then the rest of this week until the weekend, I am going to be putting out videos and letting you guys know what I know, upcoming collections, but I have to speak on this. I honestly thought the white multicolor was the most popular color out of the black, but that was not true. Guys, the black items from the multicolor collection went so fast. When I tell you, they went so fast. I'm shocked. But I honestly think that more people can match the black multicolor with more things in their closet. Because I had someone tell me, Marquita, I can't see you with a white bag. I can't see myself either with a white bag. I want a white bag, but the way my life is set up, I don't even wear things close enough to even match. Well, I can match. I can match any with any handbag. I can put a outfit together, but that's just not me. The multicolor collection in white honestly isn't me, but that's something I have been eyeing, guys, for such a long time. For such a long time. But I understand why the black sold out first. So if you were interested in anything in the black, guys, it was sold out first. I am so sorry to tell you. As of right now, you can get a capucine, you can get a side trunk, you can get travel luggage, the Keep All 50, you can get the notebook, the bandeau. You should be able to get shoes, tennis shoes. And guys, as far as bags, that's it. That's it. And if your CA can pull it off, I'm not sure what strings they can pull, but it's going to be some hard strings to be able to get you anything else. And I'm going to tell you right now, the Speedy 25, I honestly thought, the white Speedy 25, I thought that was going to be the hot seller. It was the Armor BB. The white multicolor Armor BB went so fast, guys. It went so fast. And also the Nano Speedy. But the Armor BB, that went so fast. I thought it would be the Speedy 25. I honestly had my eye on the cosmetic pouch, the GM cosmetic pouch, the Speedy 25 bandolier, and I was just going to get like a little SLG. That's what I wanted. But guys, if you're not going to use these things, if you are trying to get it for a collector piece, please think these things through. I tell you guys this all the time. Please think these things through. We are getting other collections that are coming out. We are still getting a Damier Azur collection that's coming out here real soon. So if you are a Damier Azur fan, if you're looking for a brighter color handbag, we are getting another collection of the Damier Azur. We are getting more Damier bean bags, and we do have a hot monogram collection that's coming out in January as well. So if you are interested in those designs, those prints, and you did not get your hand on the multicolor, or you pre-ordered the multicolor, guys, you have a lot of hot things for 2025 that's right around the corner. Trust me, a lot of things. So if you are getting this as a collection piece, I totally get it, because that's honestly what it was going to be for me. That was it. That handbag, those items would have most definitely just sat in my closet. So think these things through. Some of you guys state, I see this a lot, that it's childish. I am not going to say that. I'm not going to say that, because we all have different styles. I feel like anyone can rock a handbag. It's how you dress it up. It's your outfit. And I'm not going to call it childish, because I used to say, oh, I think that's for my daughter. Guys, rock whatever handbag you want to rock. It's your money. I'm just saying, think it all the way through. So again, if your CA isn't responding, guys, that's exactly why they're not responding, because they don't want to give you the bad news that you just don't meet the quota. Or they don't know what's going on. They don't have access. They don't even know when the pre-orders open. So I am so sorry to tell you these things. So for you guys that's flooding my inbox, I wanted to get this out. I want to get this video out just so you guys know exactly what's going on. And again, what I wouldn't do before I end this video, please, please guys, if your CA contacts you and tells you that they have a bag in the boutique, ask them this question: was it a return? Ask them, was it a return? And if it was a return, find out why it was returned. You don't have to know the customer. You want to know why the handbag was returned. I am seeing so many defective items that are coming from these luxury brands. Not just LV, but even the reverse monogram Speedy 20, guys. That's all I see in my inbox. People are returning that handbag. So again, before I end this video, listen to me. If your CA calls and makes it seem like, oh my God, you're so lucky, we got a bag that came in. Yes, the bag came in because it was a return. Find out why the bag was returned. Or if they don't tell you why it's returned and they don't share that information with you, which is, I wouldn't trust that CA ever again, check the bag yourself. Do a full inspection. Check the alignment of the zipper. Check the alignment under. Guys, please check the vachetta. Check the entire bag. Go inside. Check everything on that handbag. Do not be fooled. Because just like we have to have a spending quota, they have to have a sale quota. They have to sell so many handbags. So that's their ultimate job. That's just what it is. And I'm just telling you the truth, guys. So again, if you were not able to pre-order, it's probably because, like I said, you just don't meet the quota, or like I said, your CA don't know, or guys, the item is sold out. Now, I'm not saying that LV can't manufacture more items so they can actually have enough for everybody else. I'm just saying, as of right now, guys, the handbags are sold, and they sold out just from pre-orders. You can check the website. I'm pretty sure that it's going to say notify me. And you also can keep checking in the boutiques. But as of right now, it is what it is. So guys, I am going to be sharing with you later on more